Hello, ma'am. I'm going to walk you through your course. I've sent you the link, but it's evolve.elsevier.com. You won't have as many crazy courses as I do, so your course should be the only one that pops up. I gotta find it. It's this course here. So when it pops up, I scroll all the way down here to this first page, and I would put an announcement in here. I request that you guys post an announcement every week, and I usually tell people to do a video and then post that because students like to visually see and hear us. So you can add an announcement, type that in, or add a video right there and add that. I can show you how to do that too. And then if you go over to these tabs, I've already got your syllabus in the course. This does a funny thing. Instead of opening it up, it pops it down here so that you have to open your syllabus. So it'll open that Word document. And for the RN to BSN, since this is post-licensure, they get 50% of their points from completing chapter lessons, and then 50% of the points from doing a discussion board. I'm going to show you that. Get that out of the way. And then I've also already done your course map. So your course map tells them what they're going to do every week, what they're going to focus on. So let me pull that over there. So they're going to complete these lessons, and they're going to complete this discussion board. And these discussion board, the dates are already set up for you as well as the lessons. So I'll pull us over to that next. The next thing is your actual textbook itself. So that was that third tab down there. I'll show you. It has the syllabus, the course map, and the textbook right there. Your textbook, I like to go up here and collapse all my folders. All of this stuff, you're free to look at this as much as you want, but it's more along the lines of general nutrition that has to do with macronutrients, that type of thing, which will lead us to our very first week. So notice I've got it. Week 1 is starting 3:20, so you see that. Week 2 is 3:27. It's there. So then when you click on it, it'll expand out the chapter that we're looking at. So again, we're just going over chapter 13 this first week. I really skipped a lot of the micronutrients and the macronutrients because that's kind of basic nutrition stuff, I think. I like to do this so that it opens this whole thing up. So the first thing you'll notice here is your textbook, which if you click on that, it'll take you out to that textbook. So and it starts right in chapter 13. I usually click this thing over here so that I just see the page. Students like that they can look at this digitally wherever they are. So you can scroll through that chapter. Or if I go back to this, it has PowerPoint slides. I haven't made them visible since you're not officially lecturing to this group. And then what they're going to do are these 3 lessons. So you'll notice I've got complexities in GI health, stomach disorders, and intestinal disorders, and they're visible to them right here. You have the option to go in and assign these due dates if you want. So if you look over here, I've got that it's in this week, but I don't have a hard due date on it. That's kind of up to you if you want to do that. I can easily show you how to do that. And then once the students are in here, it will tell you who's completed it. But look at one of these. I think they're pretty cool. So they're really good for students who need more visual to learn. It will take you through the same thing as the textbook, just in a different format, which I really like. So it does it in a little bit a different way, and then it gives them some practice questions to go through. So most of the students really like that aspect about it. So they'll complete, they'll complete those 3 topics. And then let me go back to my course. Too much. And you'll also notice that we have a discussion board due. I have set the discussion boards up with the appropriate grades and the dates on them, but I haven't entered any topic because I thought I'd let you uh, personalize that how you want to. So for this first one, I usually do some sort of introduction. So you'll notice I've got the discussion boards right here. They're all right there, 1 through 8. So you're going to click on it and start a new topic and whatever you want them to talk about. So, I did wrong one. So if we go up to this one, new topic. What do you want them to do? You can introduce yourself. Why do you think nutrition's interesting? What are some challenges with your personal nutrition? And then what I try to do for each week is talk about whatever the topic is. So, like for week 2, we're looking at liver and pancreas and gallbladder health. So I like to get them to talk about what they've seen in their practice, about what's best practices that they've seen with regard to nutrition in individuals with these disorders. But feel free to do whatever you want to on that one. Again, I don't have a hard and fast rule with that. So there's really not too much to do with the course. It's already set up for the student to just already get in there. And these students have already taken classes, so they know how this works. And then if you go to your grade book, I think I've only got the 2 students in there so far. I think we're going to have a small group when they get done with their discussion board, and you can enter their grades for that. And then literally for their lessons, I let them take their lessons as many times as they want to get the grade they want, and I enter their grades there. So take a look at it, see what you think, and then I'd be glad to walk you through it next week if that will help you with starting this class on the 20th.